Hello there, in this video I'm going to teach you how to generate architectural images using Midjourney AI. First of all, head over to your direct messages or a channel with the bot and then type in your prompt using /imagine. Over here, phrase your prompt with whatever you want to generate into the image. For example, since it's done generating, we can see that it generated us our high-rise modern theme building in the form of an architectural sketch. You can also add word weights. For example, in the prompt here, I'm just going to copy the same prompt and generate this exact one with word weights to add some weight to a specific word. Just wait for it to create your results. Over here, we generated some better results by using word weight, as we added more word weights on the sketch and also added a word weight on the modern theme. So I tried to generate some futuristic sketches for us. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.